Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. Few days back, there were news prevailing around the defense sources that India might be going for additional order of 18 Rafale fighter jets in fast track mode. These additional 18 Rafale fighters can be placed as per the first contract, which was placed during 2016. During the first contract, which was placed in 2016, India had an option to place an additional order of 18 Rafale at the same inflation adjusted price. These types of additional orders have been placed by other countries as well, like Egypt and Qatar. The Egyptian Air Force is interested in buying the Rafale F4 variant once Dassault Aviation prepares the next generation F4 variant for foreign buyers. Similarly, even Qatar went for additional option for 36 Rafale fighters. Coming back to the latest update from defense sources, it looks like India might be going for another batch of 36 Rafale fighters, and this time the variant which they are looking for is the F4 standard variant of Rafale. Once India gets the last Rafale of 36 fighters of first batch by January 2022, there would be a possibility for India to go for additional 36 Rafales as a second batch. The Air Chief Marshal RKS Bhadoria held talks with senior officials at the Ministry of Defense to seek approval for procuring the 36 F4 standard Rafale and also to check on the possibility of assembling them partially in India. Even though the tender for procuring 114 fighters is still open, Indian Air Force should go for these Rafale fighters without any hesitation, since making such Rafale fighters locally in India would not be possible in near term, and also it might be costly. As already mentioned in one of my old videos, in order to prioritize the critical procurement, the armed forces will follow a staggered purchase model where the aircrafts or weapons required will be bought in small quantities and in a phased manner. The same method would be followed in the case of additional Rafale fighters as well. So what is so special about the F4 standard Rafale? As per the defense sources, the F4 standard will include enhancements to the Thales RB2 active electronically scanned array radar, the Thales Talios long-range airborne targeting pod, and the RECO-NG reconnaissance pod. Not only that, upgrades to the aircraft's communication suite, the improved pilot helmet-mounted display, a new engine control unit, and the ability to carry new weaponry such as the Micon next-generation air-to-air missile and 1000 kg Hammer air-to-ground precision weapon are also in the list. So let's expect India takes a quick decision and goes for additional Rafale fighters without any hesitation. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to 10 Slide Info for more defense and aviation updates. Thank you.